Before the weekly analysis begins, I just want to let you know that I do have a Patreon page. We have two tiers available. The first tier is called Start Off for £15 a month, and what you will receive is access to a Discord server containing the beginners, intermediate, and advanced course, risk management course for Elliot Wave trading, as well as financial literacy content. This tier is also for those who want to learn at their own pace and generally just support what I do and just join a community of like-minded traders. The second tier that I have is called the Waveologist for £35 a month, and what you receive is everything that I mentioned above with the addition of specific chart requests for me to annotate on a daily and weekly time frame, and one-to-one support or group sessions depending on how many people have subscribed to this tier. The group or one-to-one sessions are for those people who want a little bit of extra help with their Elliot Wave education, and also give the opportunity to ask me as many questions. Please do keep in mind that these are going to be 1 hour sessions depending on how many people have subscribed, and also I would say please do consider joining. It is really good value for money, and without further ado, let's get into the analysis. Alright guys, so welcome back. This is going to be my Elliot Wave forecast or count on the S&P 500. But first of all, any views or opinions that are expressed in this video do not constitute to trading or financial advice. So let's get started. So obviously one of my counts was previously that I said that this may be a possibility of a WXY pattern, and we are currently seeing that sort of market move maybe towards the downside to give us one more leg. And this is one of the other counts that I had where we are going to see some sort of upside coming in, as we have a leading diagonal as a 1 2 3 4 5 giving us our wave A. Then we have our connector here as a WXY giving us our wave B, and then we have another 5 waves down as the ending diagonal giving us our wave C. And then we start to see this sort of impulsive structure breaking sort of market structure along the way that will give us our wave 1. And then we have this level right here, which broke below the wave 4, so as a 1 2 3 4 5, and now we are sort of climbing back up, and it seems to me that we had a nice rejection of possibly the 78.6% level right here on the 4 hour time frame, giving us a nice pin bar price action confirmation followed by bearish movement coming back in. I am still going to follow this original count, and I did say that maybe we could see these sort of levels being invalidated. If this level still holds right here, so let me just put it up just so I can be a bit more clear. If this level right here is not invalidated and we start to see a decline coming in, this would then give us an A, B, C corrective structure, which will give us our wave 2, and then from here we will then continue to see the market pushing towards the upside. However, this market is moving sort of in this sort of corrective market or sort of structure right here. It's not necessarily impulsive, it's moving quite choppy, impulsive corrective. I mean, this could be considered as a leading diagonal as a 1 2 3 4 and a 5, and what we're going to see essentially is another 1 A B C. If this level right here is not invalidated and the market does not push to this level, and the market does come maybe 50 to 61.8% of this entire wave, then we start to see a price action confirmation from here giving us a signal to go to the upside. We can then place our stops in and around here and then look to trade it to the upside, and then that will basically complete this structure as a 1. This will be the 2, and then this will be then considered as a wave 1 of wave 3, followed by the wave 2 of wave 3, and then we're going to wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete our higher wave 3 degree. And then once that sort of wave 3 completes, we'll get a 4 down and then into another 5, and then we should start seeing some bearish movement coming back in. That's sort of obviously long term of things. In terms of the short term picture, I am seeing that this level will be invalidated, as we do have sort of significant rejection, and if the market does continue to push to the downside, we're basically going to get a simple A, B, C here. So this moves in 5 waves, A, B, and a C, and so long as the market does not go beyond the 1.23.6% extension, we're going to consider this to be an ABC structure to give us our wave 2, and this should hopefully reject, maybe about 78.6 or maybe 61.8% around these levels also, to then continue to push into the upside. I would say in terms of the buys for this week, I am going to say bearish. However, don't get your hopes up. There is still a possibility of this level being invalidated, and if we start to see a decline coming in, we're not going to just sell it straight away. The best thing to do is wait for, I would say, this level right here to be broken. Once this level has been broken, you then want to wait for another 3-wave corrective structure of this entire wave to then look to sell it once more. Now, at the end of the day, if this is going to be an ABC structure, then expect this to move in 5 waves to the downside, and we might get a simple wave 1 here, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, then a wave 5. And that will basically complete this wave 2 or ABC structure, we will then be looking for the upside, so long as this level right here does not get invalidated, as this is the start of our wave 1 in the sort of impulsive push or bullish push to the upside. So I hope you guys like my video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. I do have a Patreon for all those guys that are interested in membership. You guys will have access to my Discord. And yeah, I hope I'll see you guys until the next one. God bless. Take care.